Welcome to the latest video on the High Road Brewery, where this time I've been brewing the Spreadsheet Ninja. Cheers. Hey guys, welcome back to High Road Brewery, where I have brewed the Spreadsheet Ninja from the Home Brewing Camra Essentials book. This was a brew that was done as part of the Zoom brew day over on brewtube, so if you're not a member, go check it out, the Facebook group. It's excellent, lots of good guys over there. And yeah, we came together and we brewed this Swartchzbier, which is a black lager, and yeah, it's an absolute beast. So yeah, this was a black lager that we did, and on the nose there's it's kind of, you can get those kind of dark malts coming through. It's kind of a malty beer that, yeah, basically. Anyway, not too much going on in the aroma. Check out the flavour. It almost kind of reminds me of a porter, a kind of chocolatey porter, but then it's got this kind of nice kind of crisp finish to it. It's got a nice bittering and then a kind of chocolatey finish on it, which just seems to work out really well at this time of the year. That's us now in autumn, coming into winter. It's got a nice kind of tan head on it. Yeah, so nice beer, nice wee bit of lacing going on. It's quite a nice full mouthfeel as well. It's very creamy, I would say. But yeah, just a nice kind of dark lager. The brew days, this isn't something I would normally brew, but the brewtube brew days, the Zoom brew days, seem to get you pushing to do other things, trying other things, which is quite nice. So we've had the Holcomb Stomp, we had the Altogether IPA at the start, then the Holcomb Stomp, and we've had the Spreadsheet Ninja, and there's another one coming up this weekend as well. So yes, good fun. Good chat and good to get to know some of the guys in the community as well that brew. So looking forward to seeing you guys again this weekend if you're joining the Zoom call, which will be good. Yeah, this is a good dark lager, I would say. I'll go through the recipe in case any of you don't No. The target original gravity was 1051, but I got 1055, and the final gravity I got was 1010, and I ended up with a 5.9% ABV beer. I had 21 litres was my batch size, and yes, I used some best pills that I was going to use. I was going to use my Bohemian lager pills, but I used my best pills and then 2.3 kilos of that, and I made that up to a total of, basically pills now, was 3,120 grams of pills. And then 630 grams of Munich malt, 330 grams of Carapils. Now the Carafa 3 was meant to be 300 grams, I only had 245 grams left, so that's what I used. And then I used 54 grams of roasted barley, which kind of must give it the kind of roasty, well, I'm getting chocolate anyway. It's a kind of slightly roasty, chocolatey, more chocolate I would say, creamy chocolate. I used 24 grams of Magnum at 90 minutes, and then I used 12 grams of Summit at 15, half a Wolflock and yeast nutrient, was it a teaspoon of that, and then 18 grams of Sriracha Ace at 10 minutes, and 30 grams of Hallertau Herzbrucker at flame out. It was mashed in at 64 degrees, and I then, spars with 76 degree water. It was fermented at 10 degrees. It says here for 6 days, but this one took forever. I'll show you, I'll put up the fermentation chart, but I'm pretty sure it took me about 2 weeks to ferment this sucker. And then I did a diacetyl rest of 16 degrees C for about a couple of days or so, and then I cold crashed it. So yeah, and just for my water additions, I think I've got 30 parts per million of sulphate generally in my water in Scotland. That's probably the big one. The chloride's quite low, so I used 2.8 grams of calcium chloride and 1.1 grams of gypsum. I think for lagers, on the kind of, it's very little water salts, but it tends to favour more towards your chloride, just slightly I think. So yeah, and yeah, that was it. Went really well, really good brew day, and it was pretty, yeah, went really well. Splitting the brew day footage, I tried something a little bit different. I tried a Tenet type editing, so you can see a lot of reversal in the film, so that's the first time I've tried playing about with that. So yeah, it was good fun. And yeah, some Tenet colours, so the highlights are all kind of yellowy and stuff like that, and then kind of greeny blues in the shadows and stuff, so or throughout. So it was, yeah, it's cool. So yeah, if you liked the video, smash that like button, that'd be really cool. And also, if you've not subscribed yet already, then hit the subscribe button, because then you can get more awesome content. So the next beer I've got coming is the Huggles Blonde Ale, and that is using the Fuggles that I've grown in my own garden. So yeah, that should be pretty cool, and it's also going to go through the cask beer machine thingy majigger. It's quite cool, because then I'm using my own hops as well, so that's a bit of fun. And I've been drinking that beer now, and it is excellent. So yes, we'll get a wee review on that next when I pull it all together. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers, bye.